You know how we've all been waiting, patiently, for the next Sony RX100? Yeah, that compact camera. The one that basically redefined pocket powerhouse? Well, the rumors are swirling, and honestly, I'm buzzing. Are we finally getting the RX108, or is this just another internet tease? Stick around because we're diving deep into everything we've heard, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack. Think about it. The RX100 series, right? It's like a legend. Since 2012, these little guys have been the go-to for pros needing a backup or anyone who just wants incredible image quality without lugging around a giant rig. And the RX107? Man, that thing was fast. But that was 2019. 2019, that's like forever ago in tech years. In the meantime, smartphones have gotten insane. So what's Sony been doing? 6 years, guys. 6 years! It feels like they've been in a secret lab, cooking up something truly special. Or maybe they just forgot about us? Nah, I don't think so. I think they've been rethinking the whole game. Okay, so let's talk about rumors. What are we hearing? Apparently, they're sticking with the 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor. Now, I know what you're thinking, just 20 megapixels? But hear me out. Megapixels aren't everything. It's the processing, the sensor architecture. And apparently Sony's been doing some serious work there. They're saying it's the Bion ZXR processor, which, if you know your Sony cameras, you know that's a big deal. 2 stops better light performance, that's wow. And the lens? 24 to 200 millimeters, same as before. Which, yeah, some people wanted a constant aperture, but let's be real. Fitting that into a body this small? That's a physics puzzle. They're saying they've improved the optics though. Less chromatic aberration, sharper corners? That's always good. Now, video. This is where things get really interesting. 4K at 60 FPS? Yes, please. And 240 FPS in Full HD for super slow-mo? That's awesome. Imagine the creative possibilities. And active stabilization? That's huge. Think about it. You're traveling, hiking, you need something small but powerful. Pull out the RX100 Vape, flip that screen, and boom, cinematic 4K. That's the dream, right? That's the promise. And they're finally adding USB-C. Hallelujah, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. Modern workflows, you know? And battery life? Apparently they've improved that too. 30% more? That's a big deal. Nobody wants to miss a shot because their battery died. And ISO? Yeah, it's the usual 100 to 12-800. But they're saying the noise handling is way better. Street photographers? Rejoice. So when you compare it to the RX107, it seems like the focus is on processing, video, connectivity, and handling. Not a huge jump in resolution, but more on the practical side, which, honestly, I appreciate. They're listening to users. But there are still so many questions. Color science? Built-in ND filter? A better menu system? Come on, Sony, we need answers. Now, the price. They're saying around $1,300. That's a premium price, no doubt. But if the rumors are true, especially the video and processing improvements, I think it could be worth it, especially for content creators. And the release? Mid-2025, probably around a big trade show. So summer 2025, mark your calendars. But here's the thing, with smartphones getting so good and the compact market shrinking, Sony's really betting on this one. They're saying there's still a place for dedicated cameras, and I hope they're right. So what do you guys think? Is the RX108 going to be your next camera? Are you excited? Or are you waiting to see if the reality lives up to the hype? Let us know in the comments. In the ever-growing world of content creation, finding a camera that balances portability, power, and features can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Enter the Canon PowerShot V1, a compact marvel designed to meet the demands of modern creators. But is it truly a game changer or just another name in the crowd? Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the PowerShot V1 stands out. The fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen is a dream for vloggers and those looking to capture unique angles. But here's a heads up, there's no electronic viewfinder. For many, this might not be a deal breaker, but traditional photographers might feel the absence. This 1650mm equivalent lens with its f2.8 4.5 aperture is versatile enough for wide-angle and portrait shots. Plus, the control ring adds a layer of manual customization. And let's not forget the built-in ND filter, essential for bright outdoor shoots. Now let's talk about the specs, where the Canon PowerShot V1 truly shines. At its core, the camera features a brand new Type 1.4 sensor, comparable in size to Micro Four Thirds. This powerhouse sensor delivers stunning 22.3 megapixel stills and incredible 4K video quality, making it perfect for both photography enthusiasts and video creators. Canon has also integrated their cutting-edge dual-pixel AF2 system, borrowed from their high-end EOS R6 Mark II. This advanced autofocus system tracks subjects seamlessly, whether it's people, animals, or even vehicles, ensuring your focus stays locked in. To handle the demands of extended shooting, the V1 is equipped with a built-in cooling fan. This allows for 4K recording at 60 frames per second for over 2 hours without overheating, an absolute game changer for long content creation sessions. Additionally, the camera includes thoughtful features tailored to creators, such as a product demo mode that automatically shifts focus to objects held close to the lens. For vloggers, there's a subtle yet effective skin smoothing mode that enhances on-camera presentation. These features make the PowerShot V1 a versatile tool for a wide range of creative scenarios. So, how does it perform in real-world situations? The stabilization is impressive. You've got optical stabilization combined with digital stabilization for video mode. And the subject tracking IS feature keeps your subject locked in the frame. Whether it's a moving car or a playful puppy, the V1 handles it all. Audio is just as important as video, and the V1 doesn't disappoint. It has a headphone and mic jack, plus Canon's multifunction hot shoe for advanced audio accessories. Connectivity-wise, you can pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or USB-C. Of course, no camera is perfect, and the V1 does have some limitations. First, there's no built-in electronic viewfinder or flash. That might be a deal breaker for some photographers. Also, at 4K 60p, the sensor crops to 1.4x, which might feel limiting for wide-angle shots. And let's not ignore the price. It's around $990, which puts it on the premium side of the compact camera market. So, is the Canon PowerShot V1 the best compact camera for creators? If you're looking for a camera that delivers stellar video quality, creator-focused features, and the reliability Canon is known for, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. The V1 feels like a step forward for compact cameras, blending performance and portability in a way that's genuinely exciting. But what do you think? Does the Canon PowerShot V1 check all the boxes for your needs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.